10 world's best companies to work for. We all want to work for companies with great values, companies that care about their employees and offers them great benefits like security, a favorable salary and promotion. But it's hard to tell what a company can offer until you've landed yourself in one. Thankfully, job hunting platforms like Glassdoor and LinkedIn can provide you with some insights. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 world's best companies to work for. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. 10. Unilever. Unilever has about 169,000 people across the world in a wide variety of fields and is responsible for the production of some of the world's most recognizable food, hygiene and cleaning brands such as Ben & Jerry's, Vaseline and Hellmann's. Unilever workers enjoy working with famous brands and collaborative projects, and they also enjoy flexible hours with the opportunity to also work from home, creating a healthy work-life balance for them. 9. Apple. Great salaries, a mature office environment, highly intelligent peers, the company's famous monthly beer bashes, the CV value, strong leadership, health dental care, carriers insurances, paid time off, employee stock purchase plan, discounts on products for you and your friends and family, and free buses for commuting are a few benefits you stand to enjoy working with Apple. Little wonder everyone out there still wishes to be part of the 123,000 people currently employed there. 8. Oracle. Oracle has about 138,000 people across the globe with a flexible policy of working from home full-time as long as you live more than 50 miles from the nearest office. Workers also enjoy customizable medical and dental benefit options, savings and investment plans, and wellness programs. 7. L'Oreal. L'Oreal is the world's largest cosmetics business with nearly 90,000 employees worldwide. Employees benefit from an annual profit share arrangement and also enjoy an employee-only nail salon and even a wellness suite containing 4 mother's rooms and 2 mediation rooms, as well as additional maternity and paternity leave days at full pay. 6. HubSpot. HubSpot's recent study of young executives found that 1 in 2 people say they need to improve their work-life balance. Hence, in addition to offering employees many opportunities to learn, try new things and grow their careers, the company gives workers unlimited vacation days, allowing pets in the office and offering free beer. 5. Uber. Uber, the transport app with over 12,000 employees, give its staff flexibility in that you work as much as little as you want. It is also working with telecommunications providers and fuel companies to get its staff discounts, as well as health insurance and financial management perks. 4. Salesforce. Salesforce has about 25,000 employees with its headquarters in California. In addition to its amazing employee benefits package, the company gives staffs generous amounts of time off. How? You see, Salesforce is heavily involved in charity and volunteer work and encourages its employees to join in, resulting in even more time off for volunteer projects. One of the employees of Salesforce says there is a sense of inspiration that comes from the leadership taking strong positions on social issues and making volunteerism such a key part of our culture. This sustains us during the difficult times. 3. Amazon. According to employees of Amazon, people don't come here for the perks. Although the company offers decent stock options, health insurance benefits, and generous budgets for team outings, the most important thing according to employees is the complete ownership and autonomy you have over your work projects allowing you to feel valued and trusted by the company. Number 2. Facebook. With over 20,000 plus employees, Facebook is a place many employees enjoy working. Robert Holman, Glassdoor's CEO and co-founder, speaking about what Facebook employees had to say concerning working with its founder, Mark Zuckerberg, says, "What we really see them appreciate most is the company's mission-driven culture, transparent leadership, and the fact that their work literally impacts the lives of billions of people worldwide." Facebook's office provides free sweatshops, sleep pods, games arcade, and the likes for staff. And it also encourages staff to personalize their workspaces with graffiti and self-generated artwork. 1. Google. It's no surprise that Google is one of only 3 companies that keeps making the top Glassdoor's list of the 100 best places to work across the US 10 years in a row. Is it? As of 2016, Google had over 70,000 employees across its worldwide offices, and each one is a beneficiary of the company's famously generous perks and laid-back culture. Google's success lies entirely in its ability to provide amazing employee package, offering messages, catering meals, hand-prepared by chefs, generous parental leave, free gyms and massage therapists on site, free shuttle services for its employees, health insurance, education reimbursements, museum and event discounts, community service programs, and other amazing benefits, in addition to being one of the highest paying companies in America. Also, founders Sergey Brin and Larry Page conduct weekly Q&As with staff where nothing is off limits, as well as inviting a diverse range of guest speakers such as Ryan Reynolds and Lady Gaga. If you're looking for a job that can give you immense satisfaction, the prospect of a long and interesting career with lots of employee benefits, then you should consider one of the aforementioned companies. Thank you for watching our videos. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.